Microsoft Trellis makes it easy to create 3D models from your favorite images. Go to the web page in the description, press Community, then sign up to make a free account for more GPU time. Upload an image of your favorite wiener dog. Click Generation Settings. Lower the guidance strength for more creative results and interesting shapes. Increase the sampling steps for more details at the cost of time. Stage 1 controls the overall shape. Stage 2 controls the fine details. Click Generate. Wait for a GPU to make the model. When you like what you see, click GLB Extraction Settings. Lower Simplify for a more detailed model. Raise texture size for sharper colors. Click Extract GLB. Click Download GLB. Install and open Blender. Click General. Click and drag everything, then press the Delete key. Go to File, Import, GLTF 2.0. Find your wiener dog file. Click Import GLTF. Zoom in with the mouse wheel. Press Shift, then A, Light, Point Light. Press G, then Z to lift up the light. On the top right, hit Render Preview. Click the light bulb. Set the power to 3000 and the radius to 2. Click this button on the bottom of the screen to enable auto keyframes. Set the end frame to frame 60. Click the dog and press the I key to add the first keyframe. Set the playhead to frame 30. Press RZ180, then hit Enter to rotate the dog. Move the playhead to frame 60. Press RZ180, Enter. Press space and you'll see the dog start spinning. Select all of the keyframes. Press T, then linear to make the spinning speed constant. Press Shift A and add a camera. Press F3 and align camera, then select Align Camera to view. Click the box and press G to move the camera around. Press G, then Z twice to zoom the camera in and out. Click the Output tab on the right. Change the output file format to FFmpeg video. Go to Encoding, Container, and select MPEG-4. Change the output folder here. Press Ctrl and F12 to start rendering the video. Open Adobe Premiere. Drag the MP4 into your project. Show the world why they should like and subscribe.